Action! What are you making, Don?
We shall have some egg going on.
Are you awake?
A little bit of sausage.
A little breakfast time in the Xanadu.
It's true.
Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
What are we making this morning?
We're going to have some scrambled eggs. I got some sausage up here ready to go.
Right, that's pre-scrambled. That's the beginning of the scrambling.
Well, see, my spatula's over here.
What do you got, sausage, you said?
Yeah, we have some sausage.
What's that, the garbage in the sink?
Yes, that's garbage in the sink.
That's one of the biggest RV tips we can pass along.
That's right. Put my
Garbage in the sink. But actually, show them. We actually have a nice garbage thing. Show them.
Oh, hey, now.
Yeah, let's show off our rig, man.
I was going to say, I got to get one of those metal spatulas for my
for iron. That's not good.
Yeah.
Yeah, they actually do give you.
See, yeah, it's got this little lock job. See?
So that's pretty
Trash
cool.
locks in place.
Yeah.
Yes, it does too.
That's always a big thing, but.
Poopity hoppity.
But see, we have that, but still, back to the old ways. That's the old ways. The original RVer. The original RVer comes out. Trash in the sink.
Hey, I'm going to go throw
There's a Moss coffee right there. Folks, there's tip number 2. Tip number 1, trash in the sink. Tip number 2, coffee.
Yes.
Number 3, something to heat things on, fire. You need fire right down there. Fire.
Fire.
Fire. Yes, fire. Cooking with Dawn.
Yeah. It's not a redneck recipe,
it's
but
not
you know,
Dawn. Yeah, I was going to say it's not a Dawn Marie redneck recipe, is it?
No.
You know.
Unless your chickens are kind of redneckish.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
No. Yep. Boy, you made the bed this morning and everything. Look at that.
Isn't that special?
Well, let me walk back and show them. Well, I don't want to go through the dirty bathroom, but I will. See a garbage sink. Hey, that's the Afghan. Dawn made that Afghan. I love that. It's like from the 70s, vintage. But she made it like a couple years ago, so kind of dark in there. I don't know.
Well, there's no windows open.
Hey, shower time. I wish I was around a palm tree.
Yeah.
Anyway, yep, just see what we got going here for breakfast. Beautiful day. Sun's out bright.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I don't know what the temperature is. I think it's supposed to be 80, isn't it?
And what's your secret? You put vodka in those? Is that what it is? No.
I could tell you, but then I'd have to kill you.
No.
It's a secret.
Anyway, we're just goofing off. Hope everybody's having a good Labor Day weekend. Where's Rosie?
I don't know, ask her.
What are you doing, Rose? Come here, Rose.
Mango's under the table in her bed, so probably.
Here's Rosie, girl. Say hi. Hi. Oh, Mango, he's way down. You can't hardly see him. He's in the dark.
He's under
the table sitting down there looking. Hey, Mango. Say hi. You see me? Okay. All right, we just wanted to say hi. We're out in Xanadu. Hope everybody's having a great Labor Day weekend. Making some eggs. Labor Day weekend. I don't know. Just making videos.
Making some eggs.
Making some videos. Woo. Everybody has a great, safe Labor Day. We might do another Labor Day weekend update video. I don't know.
You never know what we're going to do. Neither do we.
Labor Day, a day in the life.
You know?
All right. Well, maybe we'll get some of this cleaned up.
I doubt it.
But we doubt it. Okay. All right. Hey, remember, we hope you find your Xanadu. All right.
Toodaloo.
Bye-bye.